So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of TechYorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can draw shapes and flowcharts with your S Pen. So first of all, open the Samsung Notes app on a device. Now here, tap on this icon to create a new note. Now after this, you will see this icon. Tap on it. Now once you enable this option, you can easily draw shapes on the Notes app. Let me show you how. Let's draw a circle. That's it. Let's draw a triangle. And as you can see here, this works flawlessly. In a similar way, you can create a flow chart with the S Pen. For example, let's draw a rectangle here. Now, let's draw a straight line, like this. Let's draw another line. Now let's draw two more lines. Let's draw two rectangles. In a similar way, you can draw more shapes, create flowcharts in the Samsung Notes app with the S Pen. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.